Hello and welcome back. I'm Khaled from Destination channel. In this video, we are going to cover the second homework of our terminal tutorial. We are going to build a fun game called Save the Princess. I prepared here a graphical representation about the game we are building in order to give you a clue about this homework and what it's all about. We're going to have a player, and this player wants to rescue the princess which she's locked in this castle. In order for the player to reach out to the princess, he needs to cross these three obstacles. The first one is the ocean, and he's going to fight the shark, and the second one, the forest, which is he's going to fight the lion, and in the castle, he's going to fight the knight. If the player survived all of these three locations and events, he's going to rescue the princess. Otherwise, it's game over and we need to start again. This is everything about the game we're going to build with the command line. And of course, the link for the homework is going to be in the description section below. Please go through the homework and give it a try before you continue watching this video. And after you give it a try, come back here and follow along. With that being said, let's get started. Here's the game, Save the Princess. The first thing we need to do, open the terminal and desktop, create a main directory to represent the game world, Save the Princess, and then navigate into it. So let's do it. My terminal is already opened in desktop. So macdir save the princess. So here is the directory. We need to change directory into it. So cd save and tab, and here we are. Now I am in Save the Princess. Let's see the next. Create three subdirectories to represent the locations in the game, which is sea, forest, and castle. Okay, that's fair. Macdir sea, forest, and castle. Okay, great. Let's see what is next. Create file in each location to represent the event in that location. And what do we mean by that? This is the event. Yeah, we need to create shark, lion, and knight. Okay. Shark in sea, lion in forest, and knight in castle. Princess as well in castle. Let's do it. Touch shark. First we need to call sea and then shark.text. Perfect. Touch in forest, I want to have the lion. And touch in the castle, we need to have the knight, and we need to have the princess. Okay. Let's check out if we have those files inside the directories. If I list castle, I have knight and princess. If I list forest, I will have lion, and if I list the sea, should have shark. Perfect. So we have everything in place. Add description to each event to give the user a clue or information about the environment. So the shark, if the user wins the shark, he will gain 100 health point, or if he loses the fight, he will lose 40 health point. So let's do so in shark. Okay. So in sea, echo. Let me check it again. You win. Okay. You win 100 health point, or you lose 40 points. Where we want to have this? In sea, shark. Okay. That's hopefully will place this data inside shark text. Here we are. Let's do the next one. Echo, you win How much? 90 and 30. Okay, 90 health point, or you lose 30. And where is this? In forest with the lion. Great. Let's do the last one. You win. How much? 200 or 65. Okay. You win 200 HP, or you lose 65 points. And this goes to the knight. Sorry, the castle. There is a knight file. Okay. I would love to read those content in the files before I go forward. So let's see what we have in the knight. Castle, knight. Okay. Cat, the forest, lion. Perfect. Cat, the sea, shark. Perfect. So now we have everything in place again. Let's move forward. Oh no, I forget the princess, I think. We need to fill it with some data. Here we are. Echo the castle princess. I know. Echo. Thanks. Let's do it this way. Okay. And this goes to the castle princess file. Perfect. Let's read it. Great. So we have everything in place again. Let's move forward. Create a player document in the game world and give it 100 point as a start. So let's do so. I am still in the game world. So I'm going to create touch player.txt. Perfect. Let's list our game world and see what do we have so far. ls, and that's it. So we have the player we just created, and also we have the locations: sea, forest, and castle. Great. Make sure to add the health point inside the player document. We're starting with 100, so let's put the 100 point in there. So echo 100 health point goes to the player. That's it. Great. Now the player needs to cross all the locations in order to reach to the princess and save her. Move the player to the sea location. So the first location we're going to visit is the sea, where we're going to fight with the shark. Let's do it. First of all, I need to move the player to the sea. So move player to the sea. And now let's see to make sure, yeah, now player in the location of sea. Perfect. Now our player going to fight the shark. Let's read the shark, or let's not step forward, go back here. The player needs to cross all the locations. Move the player to location C, we did. List the event in the C, we did. And fight them by flipping a coin. Head, that means win, and tail means lose. So we deciding the coin will help us decide if we win the fight or if we lose it. And if you don't have a coin next to you in your desk, you can just click here, and this will give you heads or tail. I will click it here, and in my case, my player wins. So let's see how it's going to work. First of all, I need to read the shark. Now, again, cat. I need to do cat, shark. Perfect. And since I won, I need to add 100 HP to my player. That means echo. I need to replace the old data. I already have 100. Now it should be 200. So I'm going to say echo 200 HP, but with only one greater than sign, because I want to replace the old data inside the player, which is now located in C. Okay, let's read it. Perfect. Now my player has 200 HP. Great, let's move forward. After flipping the coin, read the event description to update the player we did. And if the player HP is less than 0, delete the player file and start new game. So that means if we have less than 0 HP, that means our player died. In my case, it didn't happen, so I will continue. Repeat the steps above here, repeat those in the forest with lion and in the castle with knight. So first of all, I need to move now my player here to forest. Let's do it. So move from C the player and put him in the forest. Okay, and here we are. Let's list forest and make sure our player is there. Now our player is there, so he can fight the lion. Before we fight the lion, let's see what the lion has if we win or if we lose. The lion will give us 90 points if we win, and he will take 30 if we lose. So let's flip a coin, and I'm going to back here. I click once more. I failed it here. Fine. So I'm going to lose 30 points. Let's update our player, which he is in forest now. So I'm saying echo 170 HP goes to the player in forest. Perfect. And here we are. I will read my player just to make sure everything okay. Yeah, now I am here. I want to repeat the same process with the castle. I need to go to the castle and fight the knight there. Therefore, I'm moving my player from forest to castle. Let's list the castle now. And now the castle has the knight, has the player, and of course the princess. Perfect. Now let's read the knight and see what we can gain if we win and what we can lose if he defeated us. Yeah, let's do it. And we will gain 200 or we will lose 65. Let's fight him by flipping a coin, and I lost also here. So I'm coming back here and update it. I have 170 before and I lost 65. So that means I'm left with 105 points. Cool. So let's update our player and we're going to do it this way. Now 105 HP goes into the castle player. Perfect. Let's read the player again, castle. And here we are. Now I have 105 points. Perfect. Let's see what is after that. Here we are. We repeated the process in forest and in castle. Read the princess message and delete the player document. That means we came up to the end of the game, and here we are. Let's read the princess. And she's telling us thank you because we rescued her. Perfect. There is a secret message. You can read it, and yeah, to keep you motivated through the course. I hope you enjoyed the game and see you in the next one. Ciao.